Don't mind me and Adrian here. We're just pretending to be fishing on this brand new custom-made Bass Cat that's now fully protected with SB3 Marine Coating. This thing is incredible. We wish we were out on the lake in it right now, but let's take a look at how amazing this now protected and gorgeous boat looks. So if you want to protect your investment like this beautiful bass boat did with our premium marine grade ceramic coating, then call us right now, 210-900-3404.